Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm excited to share something really cool with you. A working PS2 emulator for iOS devices, even if you're on the latest iOS update. I'll show you how it works, and as you'll see, it runs perfectly, even on older iPhones. If you're eager to play some retro games on your iPhone, this is the video for you. The installation process is easy and straightforward. Just follow all the steps, and soon you'll be enjoying your favorite retro games on your iPhone. Stick around and I'll guide you through everything you need to know. Before you install the emulator, you need to do two things in your settings. First, enable background app refresh by going to General and choosing it on Wi-Fi or on Wi-Fi and mobile data. Second, turn off battery saver mode because it can mess up the app. Make sure you do these two steps before moving on. Now you are all set to install the emulator. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it will be Safari, and go to the website called lucidapk.com. Lucidapk.com is a website where you can find many modded apps and games with amazing features. Once you are on the website, search for PS2 Emulator and click on it. Here you will see some information about the app. To start the download, click on the blue download button and wait some time for the installation to finish. However, there is one more step that you need to complete before you can finish the installation. This step may vary depending on your device model and operating system, and usually involves some pretty simple steps. Don't worry, this step is very easy and quick, and there will be a video tutorial on how to complete it. Just follow the instructions, and you should be fine. So guys, that's how you can play retro games on your iOS devices. I hope you have a great time diving into those classic games. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.